will hand that over.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are at Edinburgh Royal Botanical Garden, so come with us if you would like to see it.
Have you found your codes okay for scanning? So we'll just be a moment and then we'll control.
Okay, COVID protocol. You have to scan your code, you have to book online. Thank you.
Enjoy.
What is that? So not carry gems into the, I don't know, that thing is squishy.
It's this thing, you can clean the bottom of your shoes.
Okay.
Even though you're going into a garden.
And please scroll down. Is it 4 of you?
No, 6.
Oh, in which case I'll do it here. That's
Thank you.
Mom, you should be giving yourself all that credit.
For what?
On my outfits. Today you said I look fine.
Oh, you do? Didn't you feel fine? These are the toilets people use.
Oh,
Really? Not the whole royal. Is it because?
It's
Oh, that is. Oh no. A whole royal botanical garden. Nah, fam.
If you don't want to use the portaloos, the main building behind you there has reopened.
Oh, that's reassuring.
Yeah.
Okay, so this was cause of COVID. Is that why? Oh, okay, yeah.
So there's proper toilets in the main building there. There's also the shop if you
Jenna,
want
can you
plants or
hear
a
that?
souvenir. There's also the cafe and restaurant which is just reopened if you want a coffee or a bite to eat.
Yeah.
But obviously the main thing you're here for are the gardens. 70 acres to explore. I'd recommend taking a photo of the map there so you can keep track of where you're going.
Yeah.
My personal recommendation is the Chinese hillside. You take the right hand path this way. There is a lovely area, great architecture, very colourful.
Yeah.
And there's a path to the very top of the hill where you get a great view of the Edinburgh cityscape. It's great on camera, so highly recommend it. But yeah, lots to do. It's all a free experience, but we are a charity. We've had quite a rough year with COVID. We had to close for a long time, and then recently we've had quite a bit of flooding damage last month. So try and get back to healthy spot and to repair those issues. We're doing a donation drive at the moment. Just a contactless tap there. It would mean the world to us if you could help us out. But the main thing is that you guys enjoy yourselves.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
That's the one you had, yes. You are posh, Jamin, apparently. So that was supposed to be fun now. Ah, look at us. We were complete. So I think it's this way. Yeah, because people are interested in the name of the plants. Each plant here is named. It's amazing. Each of them is labeled.
Maybe if we do different
Did you hear that? Can you hear that, Jessia?
temple.
Is it?
And look,
Like-
that's a Chinese dragon.
And that's a waterfall. There's a small one. Oh, this is lovely.
Whoa! There's so many lily pads.
Perfect. I don't know why they closed off this place.
How dare you?
But yeah, it looks nice. I love the bamboo fence. China Pavilion. Oh, that's lovely.
So they translated it. Oh, you put on your clothes?
Oh,
Join us if you love nature. You will love our membership benefits. Okay. And they're all scientific names, so they are quite hard to pronounce.
they would use to find a kangaroo.
They're quite big, aren't they? Seems there's another waterfall here. I can hear it on this bridge. There it is. Oh, that's beautiful.
That water looks so fresh.
Yeah, and then it's sparkling because the sun is hitting it nice at an angle.
It's like fizzy water.
Almost all of us are wearing white today, except Jaina. ginormous.
I want to keep those.
uh,
No, they're giant.
Or maybe those are the ones those leaves are dolphins. These aren't dolphins.
So much spikes in the bottom.
oh.
Never like them.
Yeah, there's a lot of places to have
Hide my back.
a picnic. You can just chill in any of this lovely, quiet, grassy greenery. And that's the Glasshouse. Yeah, it's ginormous, yeah. I've seen one before, but not this big. The one at Sutton Park. But it's closed. I don't know why. I think because it's indoors, but no. Oh, it's lovely.
So much greenery.
Yeah. That is coming. So we're at the Glasshouse, but it's a very big glass house, but because of COVID it is locked. No, we're not allowed inside. See what I can see from outside. Obviously these lovely flowers. So beautiful. You just got me some flowers. How sweet is that? Pick me some flowers.
I have been in so good.
They're lovely. Yeah, I like it, but it looks like something that's crawling and growing, like something
It
from
looks
a...
like a pine cone.
Yeah.
I can talk to trees now.
Yeah, thanks for the flowers. Did I say thanks before? They're gorgeous. My husband is tormenting you. Okay, I'll talk to him. Terrace Cafe. And this is it. Invalid House is that way. Beep, beep. Okay, so this is the beginning of the Glasshouse. They do restoration, so we are not allowed in, fortunately.
Who live in glass houses
Don't throw stones.
There's a heap of stones there.
Well, you don't throw it. Part of what we would have seen was Britain's biggest plant fossil in the Glasshouse. Invalid House Terrace Cafe. Going up this way. Turning. Climate change. Be careful. This is the Terrace Cafe. It's got a little ice cream place and a sit-out, lovely sit-out area. So there's a lovely picnic spot here with a view of the city. A little bit of a view, not so much because it's covered by trees, but you can see parts of Edinburgh city centre from here. Yeah, so we're just gonna sit here and have a lovely lunch, and then we'll carry on exploring. He says after the bubble. There's one behind you, Jesse. That one, get it, yeah. I can see a bit of the peaks, the Edinburgh peaks, but it's not as clear a view. Oh yeah, is that the castle? Where?
The castle, right?
Yeah, that is the castle. It's just from the back.
Oh, it's a different view. Okay.
Seeing it from the back.
Chocolate sounds like something else.
Just try it first.
You're gonna be good at tango. The gallery is open 31st July to 3rd of October 2021, and we're here on what? 27th. What a luck. Why are you smiling? Oh, the hedge is gorgeous. Yeah, we've seen more poppies than this, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been there, done that. Fields of poppies. But it's still gorgeous anyway.
Ooh, a petal of a puppy. I'm gonna pick up petals.
Petals.
So I can...
Throw them. You are like you always do. JCL, this is Scarecrow. JCL always likes to assume the position.
Oh, the guy should have rushing something else.
J-Man. J-Man is never here. J-Man is always over exploring.
The Queen Mother
Yeah.
from 1900 to 2002. I mean, she lived more than 100 years.
This is the Queen Mother Memorial Garden. This is the mother of our queen. It's a maze. Yeah, go figure it out. But it's not a great one like the other one.
Ah, it smells really green.
Yeah. Well, the whole place, you can smell the fragrance. That's why you need all your senses when you're exploring. As soon as I entered here, I was just like, wow, it smells divine. Okay, shop open. Well, Glasshouse not open. I like this bit. It's beautiful. Hiya! Do you want mask, Jamin? Okay, I think you're under the age anyway, so. Yeah. You never said that, so Jamie's gonna go. I don't think you're supposed to. It's not gonna ring. Try. Thank you. Ooh, Jamie. The Duke of Edinburgh actually rang this bell, the Royal Garden Bell. Don't keep your face like that. You're a royal, aren't you? Yeah. So click on it. Oh, look at that. Is this way then? This is like a gallery. Oh, really? Is it a cooking book? We're just browsing through this bit because we're running late. So some part of the gallery is closed. You can see a bit of what it looks like from here, but it's not open to the public right now. On our way out, thanks for watching. So far, if you like this video, make sure you do what? Subscribe, like and share. Till next time, keep living, loving and laughing. We'll just show you a little bit of the shop and go. There's an umbrella inside bad luck. Why did they put it? I shouldn't be touching it. Girls and shopping. You guys like shopping too much.
And this one is cute.
Oh, really cute. Is that banana?
It's corn.
Oh, corn. How cute is it? It's not for kids, that's why. Well, in this town, I've known not to use umbrellas because wind will carry it away. That is aprons for your painting.
Why is that only
to donate, you can just donate £5 or more. Right, that's us out. We'll be back. I enjoyed Botanical Garden. It was really nice. And the weather was good to us today. So just a nice place to just come and walk around, get some steps in and chill, have a picnic. The kids can run around, do their acrobat, yeah, drink Capri Sun. Yeah, Jaden, I can see your Capri Sun. It's a very restful and relaxing place. That's all I can say. Nothing wildly spectacular. So check it out if you're in the Edinburgh area. If you like, it's free. So why not? The only thing you have to plan about is parking. But if you're taking the bus or the train, then that's not a problem. Parking is about £2 something an hour. £2.70. You know, but you can pay with Ringo. You don't have to have cash and use your card. So that's us. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification. Till next time, keep living, loving and laughing. Bye. Nothing can stop us. I am getting bigger every day. Every day. Getting bigger every day.
Machine that is creating sausage rolls. It's generating sausage rolls.
Definitely, we have gone, of course, to find an infamous sausage roll that Dad discovered in the shell. Filling station. Dad never forgot this sausage. All the time we pass this place, you were like, the sausages. Let's taste it and see. Do you confirm what Dad is saying? Is it great? Nice.
I know it's overhyping it.
Yeah.
Normal sausage roll.
So you don't think he overhyped?
Seasoned it.
Have you not tasted it?
Oh yeah, it is seasoned. It's not the sausage inside is seasoned. Yeah, I believe you. Yeah.